Sir, I come from South Goa, but I want to speak for the whole of Goa.
You can.
Today, whatever Goa is, sir,
No problem.
is the hard work put in by a lot of people. Among them, there is a community, the ST community, which has got Gowda, Kunmi, Vedip, Dangar, which is still to be recognized. Today, 10% of them from the population, they are crying for their rights. They want to be recognized. And they reached out to the central government, and in March 2024, the Honorable Prime Minister promised the community, and in a cabinet meeting in March 2024, they decided that readjustment of representation of scheduled tribes in assembly constituencies of the state of Goa Bill 2024, which has been approved in a cabinet meeting. My humble request that the bill should be introduced at the earliest and give justice to the scheduled tribe community of Goa. Thank you, sir.